Hello, my name is Troy Epperson, and this is my website, oneononetrading.com. I've been doing trading and educating for many, many years, and if you're that guy that are almost break even, you're break even, you can't quite get over the line into profitability, maybe you could use a couple of hours of coaching that will really help maybe focus you and get you on your path to success. If so, please check out my website, oneononetrading.com, and I hope you enjoy the morning brief.
Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, April 27th. You can see here at the 8:30 numbers, we had some red items. Advanced GDP quarter on quarter was less than expected. Not particularly good there. Unemployment claims were slightly better than expected. 247 was expected. They only have 230. Employment still is the main story behind all of this. It just continues to be really good. Advanced GDP price index quarter over quarter was higher. So, you got some conflicting with the GDP stuff. That being said, the market kind of initially it bounced and then it kind of sold off a little bit, and now it's kind of neutralized. So the GDP not having much effect today. 10 a.m. we have pending home sales. That's a yellow item, so medium impact. 10:30, natural gas for you natural gas futures traders. And that is it for the day. Yeah. So, I think things are starting to get interesting here on the daily chart. We had a down day yesterday. We're gapping up today. Where could we go? I think we could definitely. Thing is, we had a close now below this consolidation band. That's very bearish. So, I don't know if this is just a little bit of relief and then a continuation to the downside. That's certainly what the chart is trying to say. That being said, it's not a big stretch to go, hey, this is just part of the consolidation, and it certainly could be. That being said, if we can get back into this consolidation band, that would be a good thing. At least we'd be going sideways to up and not going down anymore. But where could it go? Based on yesterday's range, we could probably see 41.26. Would not surprise me. And on the downside, we could probably see 40.56. So those are certainly possible scenarios for the daily chart. Looking at the intraday 60-minute here, looking at inventory, again, we have a down price action and up inventory. More bottom fishing, more buy the dip. Now, we've had buy the dip going on for a couple of days. That's what I say. It's starting to get interesting. If we continue to have this buy the dip mentality and we go back to that daily chart and we fall off the map on the downside, it's going to get ugly. It always bothers me whenever inventory is increasing on a down move, because if for some reason, we get, I don't know, maybe we get below 40.50 or below 4,000 even, we could really see an acceleration to the downside due to all the buy the dip people bailing out. So this is concerning but interesting. Not saying that's going to happen. The buy the dip folks could be saving the market. You just never know what's going on. This is interesting. We have price movement up, but early on, it looks like we're down 7,000 contracts. So, maybe, I don't know what that means. We can't tell yet. Early, very early. So always a fun discussion. Look at the daily, or the intraday, just to sort of see what are the major levels of support and resistance. First thing that jumps off the map here is that here's the overnight high and here's the overnight low, and that is about 25 S&P points. That's pretty small range compared to what we've had lately. So that's kind of interesting. Maybe a consolidation, a little bit of coiling here to go in a particular direction. We'll have to wait and see. But we have some core confluence here at 41.16, 41.35. I do like that number, 41.35, and the 41.53.75. Love that number. Those two numbers should give us decent resistance On the downside, decent support is definitely at 40.70 and maybe some at 40.50 and more at 40.37. So there's your 3 support and 3 resistance numbers for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And last but not least, the stock market almanac for today is 66.7. So a 66.7% chance the S&P will be up today. So positive historical bias. Hope you guys have a great day. See you tomorrow.